Swedish brand Koenigsegg has unveiled the production version of the Gemera supercar. It will be the fastest four-seater car in the world. The Koenigsegg Gemera debuted in 2020 with a 3-cylinder 2-liter engine, assisted by 3 electric motors. The total power of such an installation was 1,700 horsepower. The 3-cylinder twin-turbocharged engine remains, but the 3 electric motors have been replaced by a new electric motor called dark matter. This electric motor weighs only 39 kilograms and produces 800 horsepower and 1,250 Newton-meters of torque. The supercar will now be offered in 2 versions. The base modification will receive a hybrid powertrain with a 2.0-liter 3-cylinder engine and an electric motor with a combined output of 1,400 horsepower and 1,850 Newton-meters of torque. The top-of-the-line version is equipped with a 5.0-liter turbocharged V8 engine with a total output of 1,500 horsepower and 1,500 Newton-meters, and an 800 horsepower dark matter electric motor and an innovative Light Speed Tourbillion transmission. The total power is an incredible 2,300 horsepower and 2,750 Newton-meters of torque. According to Koenigsegg, the 3-cylinder Gemera can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in 1.9 seconds, and has a top speed of 400 km per hour. The V8 model will be noticeably faster. The interior features several large displays. There is a separate display for rear row seat passengers. The luggage compartment is still 200 liters. It is expected that the initial cost of the supercar will be about $2 million. A total of 300 copies will be produced.